Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete sites data and permission on Google Chrome. So maybe you want to lose your track, maybe you don't want to visit that sites again. You need to log out completely from some sites that you don't want to visit. Please, you can do it. You can click settings. You can firstly you can click at the top right corner of your screen and go to the settings. Here you can click privacy and security, and under it there is a site settings. You can control what information sites can use and show, like location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Click it, and here we go. This is recent activity or history. You can click view permission and data stored across site, and here we go, such as google.com or e-commerce, YouTube, and so on. For example, you can click or you can break down the sites that you want to delete and click the trash icon. So here you can delete site data and permission from google.com, all sites under it, and installed apps you can delete. Can remove completely. You will be signed out of these sites, including in open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. Your chosen permission will be removed. So think about it. And also you can delete all data because of there's so much sites on this list. If you want to clear the history, just click on delete all data. So this will delete a 2.5 gigabyte of data of my data stored by sites and installed apps. So this is like free up some space on your storage. Feel free to try to delete all data, all sites data and permission. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.